Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier and account allow Wi-Fi calling, because the phone only uses the feature when the network permits. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so calls can route reliably. Weak Wi-Fi causes dropouts. Now open Settings, tap Connections, then look for Wi-Fi calling. On some Samsung models, you'll access it from the phone app settings. Once you've arrived at that screen, you're ready to turn the feature on and configure preferences. You toggle Wi-Fi calling on, choose the appropriate mode. For example, Wi-Fi preferred to use Wi-Fi whenever available, or Cellular preferred to keep cellular priority. When prompted, enter or confirm your emergency address so 911 routing is accurate. This affects why calls show location to responders. Make sure roaming settings match your needs, and if there's an advanced option, set Wi-Fi as the preferred calling method. Once set, the phone will prefer Wi-Fi for voice and SMS over compatible networks. You finish by testing. Place an outgoing call and ask someone to call you back to confirm inbound routing. If audio quality is poor, restart your phone and the router to clear NAT or DHCP conflicts, and check for a Samsung software update. Updates often fix Wi-Fi calling bugs. If it still won't connect, contact your carrier to ensure the feature is provisioned on your account or perform a network settings reset. That last step restores defaults and often resolves hidden configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.